Wow, what a great game. I think when the game crashed, it didn't really save. Oh, it's doing it again. When the hammers aren't moving, or at least the drill is actually doing what it's supposed to. I have not made a YouTube video of this for ages. There's not very much to do to get more money. Reach 30 kilometers, 40, find a chest, find a UFO. I specifically know from playing this game, you unlock the UFO at 25 kilometers. So we're actually pretty close to that. I don't know when you're going to get a chest or vibrating chest or the monster. And I don't really know what to do, but how much money do you get from finding the UFO? 150,000. We'll probably be able to get white. Ooh, 4-cylinder engine. That'll probably do better. We won't have enough for another thing. We'll probably be able to get another set of miners and trying to unlock an engine. And that will... Well, I don't really know. I don't really know this thing very well. That's all I know. Oh, my throat. I'm not good with my throat. So... Sorry. But my voice has been like this for a while now. It'll pass, eventually. Play for 2 hours. Play for 2 hours. I don't think I've been playing for 2 hours. It's crazy how far this game goes. 6,000 kilometers is the final thing is quests. I wonder what happens after that. But you probably have water excavator or like nuclear engine 5, water drill and probably super cooler. You probably have all them max out powered like vibranium stuff and all that to get all the way there. Probably even more. Probably have everything. But what do you do in the game? Like if you wanted to actually get at that stage, you will be playing for ages. Yeah, so if you look at the bottom of the floor, actually it might not be 25 kilometers. It might, now that I've rethinked it, it's actually 26 kilometers. No spoilers, but I won't tell you after this. But I think in the last video we actually got up to here. I'm not sure, we might have not, but because the game crashed and we haven't saved it, which I'm just going to save it now, just in case it does it again. But if you watched the last video, I recommend that one. But you can't really hear me very well. I don't know if you can this one. Fingers crossed, because I need to get a microphone. But 20,000 for gold cargo. Look at that, like money jump, dude. 20,000 to 350,000. That is like, oh no, math. Like 3,200,000. No, not 320,000 more than the previous upgrade. Okay. Massive jump in thing there. In thing. What's a thing? What's that called? A thing can be anything. Oh no. We're getting platinum, which is good. because I think we're going to need platinum the further way we're going down. Look at the gold go up, and we had to spend like so long last episode trying to get gold cargo, like this iron cargo. It was a mess actually, because it was just a mess. Go watch that video if you want to know what the mess was, but it was a mess. Look at the bottom bit where it says 25 kilometers. It's got like a line. Look at that line. You'll see like they're a bit like light, like little blue and white lightning bolts. That is the UFO, and we just have to dig 1 more kilometer down to reach it. Okay, this is one of these. Well, I'm gonna have to move that there. But this is one of these things where I want to skip it for you so bad. Like, so badly. You know what, just because I'm kind, I'll give you the freebie here. I'm back. You don't really want to miss the big moment of it actually being there. Here it is. See what it says. Thank you for saving us. 9,000 years ago we came here to the Earth, and all of a sudden we got... What? Ancient, does that say? I don't know how to pronounce that, I'm sorry. And then from then on, we have been buried in the ground. Our beards are hidden very deep in the earth. We have to find them. I think you'll be able to find our beards for now on. We will assist you. Yeah, I remember this. So this is where you can buy power amplifiers, time machine stuff. Yeah. Okay, max capacity again. Right. This video gets 5 likes. I will tell Mum to buy the £1.59 vibranium, and after that I'll come off the game and show you. Right now we have money to collect. This is a lot. Now I think we should get this 5,000. As soon as I buy this, it just won't be enough, so I need to buy this. Okay, that's more like it. So we need 5,000 coal, which we are getting coal quite fast. We need 3,000 copper and 2,000. Okay. No, this is doable. Let's do some things, and if I decide to, I'll try and jump. But the only problem is I only know how to time jump, not speed up. So I know how to do things instantly, but I don't know how you make the gameplay faster for a variation of time. I'm only 11 years old, okay? Maybe when I'm older. A chest! 7,000, and also that is a reward. Okay, looks like we're buying a lot then. Why not? 500 of that and 30 of that. Just because I have it, we're going to buy it. 5,000. Oh, we're going to be here for ages. Well, I am. You might not. So, the easiest thing, I think, is going to be the white one. 30 of that and 500 of that. Yeah, that's going to be easy. This will be in mid. This would take ages. because when it's mixed up like this, the thing that is lower down means the more rare it is. This is over 2,000, it won't be that bad. But since this one's 5,000, yeah, we're going to be here for ages. Congratulations, 27 kilometers. Reaching 30 kilometers is also a milestone for 300,000. We can buy absolutely nothing with that. Not even that. And we'll barely be able to buy excavators, which will probably not be useful at all. I might have to jump this. Actually, we're nearly at the engine. We just need 1,000 for coal. We're really close to 3,000 copper, and we have just hit the 2,000 silver. But yeah, we're gonna wait this. 4,000 more to go on coal. No, 400, sorry. Okay, now it's 300. Now it's 200. Now 1. Are they both going to finish at the same time? No. Okay, so we had a 1 power and then 100 times 100% booster. Then we have 5, 150. Power 10 is what the booster is. Oh my! The booster on that! 4. Okay, so the power didn't go up, but the booster really did. We are nearly there for the final bit of the white drill, and it's going to take me ages to get the quad fan. I'm going to skip the quad fan for you. I'm not making you wait for the quad fan because I'm going to be here for a while. Probably about maximum 7 minutes. Might not even be that long because we're nearly at 1,000 right now. I might have underestimated this. I just want to let you know, if you want to see more of this content, please like the video and comment down below if we should do some more. White drill, 1,340 power, 300 power just in that upgrade. I'm sorry. Look up here at the board. Look how fast that is. I haven't had it that fast for ages. We are nearly there. I will see you when we hit quad fan. Well, see ya. We're not done, but just to let you know we've hit 30 kilometers. Just to let you know, but we're at like 2,500, so we're halfway there. Yeah, wish me luck. Final 100. This took longer than I expected. I am very disappointed. Wow, we've reached 33. It's going a bit slower now, but I think that's all going to change when we get this. But I had a look. It ain't good. It ain't good at all. But if I get rid of all this, I will be able to grab this and make that. Wait, we have that? What is all this? Okay. 20. What are them diamonds? I'm actually getting them. Yeah, we've already got one. 200 of them platinum and then 500 gold. That'll be easy. But if we get a vibranium chest, that will get us. I've seen it. It will give us 1 million. And if we find a monster, it will give us 30 million. So when that happens, it'll be cool. And also it means we'll get a lot of upgrades. When we start getting vibranium chests, I'll be able to start collecting them and actually get vibranium. I'm still waiting for 40 kilometers, but if you have a look at all these, Like, there's a lot. Thing is, if you're trying to, like, if you have enough money to jump, like, a lot of upgrades, I suggest not doing it. Specifically because, yeah, you might be jumping in upgrades, but also you gotta, once you buy the upgrade, you got to have the materials to actually upgrade, like, the proper thing to actually get it. Which means, if you decide to go to, let's say, Spike Drill 2, it could ask us if we have, like, I don't know, a lot of things. Like Nuclear Engine 1, it could ask us if we have, like, a weird thing of this when we don't. I have one of them. 5,000 inks. I don't even know how to say that. And I've been studying science. And I don't even know how to pronounce it. Yeah, mate. Really going bad. It's been nice. I might have to skip the... When does the monster come? Or the vibranium chest, I just gotta wait out. But I keep having to scan all the way up here and all the way down just to see any yellow chests. Does the minecart count as a yellow chest? Yellow. I mean yellow. Sorry for making you guys dizzy. I'll try to go slow. That is not slow. So, if we play for... By the way, I'm sorry if you can hear random voices. One's watching like Harry Potter in the other room. I'm just talking. See if you hear some like talking, it's them too. I don't know, but I normally make my videos at the night time because that's when I get the most peace to actually make them. Yeah, there's actually a lot. If we can buy this, if we can buy the amplifier for the power amplifier. The power amplifier for making the thing go faster. The drill. We'll probably be going like very, very fast for each and every one. I just have to like skim and scan for it for, I was about to say legendary, for vibranium chests. I don't know if I made a video on it or actually did this in a video, but I've been trying to learn some Spanish. I know a couple. So if you hear some Spanish words, if I know how you do a time lapse on actual recorders and not on shorts, I'll actually put like the translated what I'm actually saying in English down below. I don't know, all I know is that I'm going to try to get a microphone. Keyword is try. I've been sat here too long and the video's going to be too long. So, this might have to be a job for next episode. Wow. Are you serious? We have to end on a cliffhanger? No, if it ends up, I'll give it 2 more minutes. And if I see no vibranium chests, sadly we won't be getting what we need. Do you count that as vibranium? No. I didn't give me vibranium, so... Well, if we're getting them, we will get vibranium. I'm going to time stop this. Bye-bye. I didn't get the chest yet, but... I did watch some advertisements. Like, you can watch an advertisement get 30. But what else? Right, this happens a lot where the account is glitched. But I don't even know if it's actually getting better. We are working pretty slow. Yeah, this is gonna have to be something for next episode. If you want the next episode to come out sooner, hit the like button. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you'll be up. So you'll be notified when the next video drops. Hopefully that's soon. 39 kilometers. So the next episode we're about to get 40. So hope you have a great